Here are a few more porch roof design ideas, and someone sent me in a question. They wanted to know how they could make the roof work in a situation like this with a hip roof. Now this will be the only roof plan I'm going to show in this video. The rest of them will just be elevations, because I think you'll be able to get the idea of it. But the porch is going to go here. And of course this is what the existing roof would look like. And I believe this is about a 3 12 pitch. And of course this is what the roof would look like if you came out with a square porch. You would simply have a hip roof like this. And I understand this might not look super awesome, but that can be changed by simply bringing the front of the roof out. And you can see here how it adds a little more detail to it. And you could always switch it to a gable roof if you wanted a different design here. You can see how it brings it out, kind of makes it more prominent. And if you're looking for something a little different, you could always put a double gable, one at each end. That ought to spruce some stuff up there. And this design has a gable at one end and a hip at the other end. Again, we are popped out on one side, flush with the other side. This wall and foundation goes through. This one here comes out about a foot. And this one here comes out on the other end about a foot. Gives you an idea of what this might look like instead of just having the fascia board die into here. And of course that might not work. Might look nicer on my drawing. Depends on the angle of the fascia board on your house. So anyway, I hope that gives you a few more ideas. If not, don't forget to visit the website and check out the designs there. And I believe that is in the design section. Click on the design tab and then you should see a link to porches. And that should have something in there for more design ideas for porches and their roofs.